In this video, we will show you how to type Unicode in Windows 11. Character Unicode is very helpful if we need to use the special character. Okay, using Unicode, there is two methods. First, for international standard, and the second for developer. We will show you how to use for international standard. Okay, for international standard, we can use the emoji. To open the emoji in Windows 11 or Unicode character, just press Windows button on your keyboard and then press the dot button like this. Okay, so I will open the keyboard so you can see what I press in here. Okay, I will make this smaller. So you need to press this Windows with this dot in the same time. You can see. Press Windows with dot. So you can see we can add the Unicode emoji like check mark or another. How to find the character you need? Usually the popular character is in the emoji here, and we can using this. Usually you need to add the false or sign or true. You can get in the emoji here. Let's see. Okay, here it's very popular character. And also if you need a row, you can just type a row. Okay, and you will see there is a row in here you can use. And if you need the character usually for transportation like car, plane, just type car like this, for example. Or copyright, here you can just add the Unicode character here. And this is for international standard. You can using this Windows and with dot button. You can also using Windows with the semicolon button in the same time. You can see it is the same. I will using Windows and with semicolon. Okay, it is also the same. And after that, if you want or if you are developer, you can just type character map. Okay, just type character map and you can click open. In here also there is Unicode character, but for the note, this is because for developer it's not suitable if you want just to type the character like this. Okay, but you can try. For example, we need to using some character here. For example, you can see we can just click select, and maybe this is not appear on your notepad for some character. Okay, because this is for developer. Just click copy and then you can click paste. Okay, for character also the same as Unicode if you want to just do typing. But sometimes if for symbols, okay, it's not what you want. For example, we select this and we copy this. You can see the tree will not appear like that because this is for developer. Okay. And that's all. Tutorial how to make or how to type Unicode character in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.